Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hadidi Makeover. So for today I'm going to be showing you 3 ways to style your Fulani sake. They call the Fulani attire is called sake, and is it sake or sake? I don't know. I'm not Fulani actually, but I'm going to be showing you how to style it different ways, how to tie the Fulani attire head tie, 3 different types of ways. So guys, let's jump right into the video. So welcome back guys, this is Hadidi Makeovers right here. Ramadan Mubarak, Eid Mubarak, let me just put it like that. So I'm going to be doing this head tie videos for a while before we are going to jump back into our normal videos. I've been thinking of changing my niche for a little bit while now, but let's see how this goes. So as you can see, the sake here, normally when you get this Fulani attire, you get a bigger head tie and you get a smaller one. So the smaller one is if you want to tie on your head. So you get like 3 pieces of material. After that, after the top, you get 3 pieces. So the smallest one is for the head tie, the biggest one is for your wrapper, while the middle one is for you to use as a veil. But if you still don't want to use a veil, you can just drop one and tie the other one. So the first style of this head tie here, I'm using the smallest pieces of the material to tie this Zara Buhari head tie. As you can see, I just flipped that on her head. As you can see, her own material is not very big, it's very small, so I'm going to be managing that, tying it on her head and then twisting that, coming back to the front and tying a knot at the back. Then this beaded the bead for the front of her forehead, you always use this for the forehead guys, you always use this for the forehead. That is what it's meant for. Yeah, so I'm going to be using that, tying that on top of the forehead and tying the rope together. As you can see here, I was not tying the rope together, I was trying to hurry up because time was against us. So I'm just going to slip that up into the head tie and then place the bigger veil on top of her head like this. I guess you guys are understanding what I'm doing. So this is it guys, this is the first style of the Fulani sake attire, how to style it. Guys, you love this. This is the #1 style. See how beautiful this look, and it doesn't matter what shape of face, what shape of head, you just have to choose among the 2. Are you the one that likes covering your forehead, or you're the one that wants to reveal your forehead, or you just want to go out with the veil like that? And then boom, this is the first style. So let's move on to the second style. I'm going to be losing this one, and then you have to tie the bead first. For this style, you have to tie the bead first. Excuse my dress, I didn't know the dress was obstructing you guys' view until when I was editing. You're going to tie this on first, then you move on with the smallest material there, the head tie material, then you place it on her head like this. This one is the one where you reveal the forehead. So I'm just going to twist that. You see, if the head tie was bigger, the twist is going to be looking a little bit fuller and looking more cute. So after you tie this like this, you twist, and then you tie a knot at the back like this. Hope you guys are getting what I'm doing. Guys, I missed you guys so much. You're going to be doing more of this very often. Yeah, and I'll be reviewing more products now, not more of a makeup tutorial anymore. So we're going to be reviewing more products, and as you can see, this is the second style. Do you love this one? If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also don't forget to share my video. So we're going to be placing this like this, and then boom. And guys, this makeup was not done by me, it was done by my students. They were like about to do their exams. Yes, they did their exams yesterday, Wednesday. And this is the makeup, and I decided to use one of their models to do my turban tutorial. As you can see, I've been very busy with the makeup and all that. I don't have time to edit, but I'm sure going to create time for you guys. So this is the second style guys. Hope you guys are feeling this head tie. So you just place the big veil on top and then boom. So the third style is now going to come up in. So there's this Fulani hairstyle they do these days. I don't know if you must know the Fulani hairstyle if you're a Nigerian. There's this big two hand you plait at the middle, and then you bring two tails to the front and then to the back, and just this simple all back at the middle. You just take it back. So it's either you do a cornrow or you just do the two hand plaiting thing. But since we don't have access to the plaits to the hairstyle, I'm just going to use this little bit of attachment, attach it to her head, and then just going to plait it a little bit. So when you're using this third style of how to style the third one, you want to make sure you have the hair plaited when you're doing this third style of hair tie. So I'm just going to go simply just make two sides of the hair so that you guys will have idea of how it looks, the veiling and all that. So after plaiting the sides, you want to tie the bead on her forehead like this. So I'm going to be tying that up like this. You want to make sure the hair is very neat due to her own reason we're in a hurry and everything like that. So as you can see, this is it. Then you just bring up the big veil and just boom, place it up on her head, and guys, you're done. Like this is it, guys. Boom, this is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment. This is Hadidi Makeovers right here. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.